No, I reckon it'll be. They've got corkscrew dicks, so I reckon if you put your willy in there, you're in for a good time because it'll go whoop. Like on a roller coaster.
Do you add a sound effect to every type of because the gobble was the chicken was a blog gobble gobble gobble.
Every time.
What's the chicken?
A
pig's going to be isn't it?
No, pigs is ooh.
Oh no,
It's curly.
Yeah, because curly.
I reckon a cow would be.
Do you reckon? I reckon a cow's got a massive fanny.
Hey, D!